Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure your internet works and Windows time is correct, because update checks depend on that. Once done, free roughly 10% of disk space so packages can unpack. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It fixes common service and permission issues automatically. After the tool finishes, restart the PC immediately and write down any error codes or messages you see. Those guide the next targeted steps. Now you reset the update component so Windows will re-download clean files. Open an elevated command, prompt and stop UServ, bits, crypt svc, and msi server. That unlocks update files. Next, rename the software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders to back them up and force a fresh download. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands fix corruption that you finish by going back to Settings Windows Update and clicking Check for updates. Allow the newly downloaded packages to install and stay patient during multiple reboots. If installation still fails, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade which replaces core update components without losing data. Make sure to monitor error codes during this process. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode, rerun dism/sfc, or restore from a recent backup. Those steps recover the system while you diagnose the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.